the aluminum frame door has become the perfect choice for both aesthetics and practicality in modern decorating designs. Today, we'll show you what makes this elegant product so unique. Our aluminum frame door is designed with aluminum alloy frames, super to millimeters glass, and stylish pull handle frames. Each aluminum framed glass door is meticulously crafted from high-quality materials to ensure perfection in every detail. Aluminum frames are not only lightweight and durable, but also have been finely treated to provide excellent anti-corrosion properties and high strength. The tempered glass ensures the transparency and impact resistance of the door, balancing beauty and safety. We choose high-quality accessories, frame connection corner pieces, ensure that the aluminum frame and glass tightly connected so that the door structure is more solid. In addition, we provide two kinds of hinges, top-bottom hinge or pin hinge, so that you can freely choose according to the installation needs to ensure the smoothness and stability in the process of use. Aluminum frame door not only excel in functionality, they also come in a wide variety of designs. Whether you prefer a clean, modern style or a unique, layered design, we can customize a product to fit your space and help you create the ideal environment for your home or office. In order to ensure that the product can be delivered perfectly and undamaged, we have adopted a rigorous packaging method. Each aluminum frame door is packed individually. The border is wrapped with bubble cotton and wrapped with shrink wrap to ensure that the product is not subject to any damage during transportation. Packaging can choose to hit the wooden frame or wooden box. Thank you for watching. zincyue focuses on high-quality aluminum furniture fittings production and quality service. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more product and service information. We look forward to seeing you next time.